Hey there, are you tired of your dog's constant barking? Don't worry, you're not alone. Barking is a natural behavior for dogs, but it can be frustrating for pet owners when it becomes excessive. In this video, we'll be sharing 4 tips to help make your dog stop barking. The first tip is to identify the cause of the barking. Is your dog barking because they are scared, anxious, or bored? Understanding the reason for the barking can help you address the underlying issue and find a solution. The second tip is to provide plenty of exercise and mental stimulation. A tired dog is a happy dog, and a well-exercised dog is less likely to bark excessively. Make sure to take your dog for daily walks and play with them regularly to help tire them out. The third tip is to teach your dog a quiet command. This can be done by rewarding your dog with treats or praise when they stop barking on command. The fourth tip is to use positive reinforcement to reward desired behavior and ignore unwanted behavior. If your dog barks excessively when they see other dogs, for example, you can reward them with treats and praise when they remain calm and quiet in these situations. Now I have an extra tip for you who want to train your dog but can't afford to pay for a good dog trainer. I want to tell you about an online dog training that can help you improve several behaviors of your dog, like barking, jumping, digging, pulling on the leash, chewing, and too much energy. It's called Brain Training for Dogs. This training is only sold on the official website. I left the link to the official site in the description of this video. Brain Training for Dogs is an online dog training course that uses positive reinforcement training and games to mentally challenge your dog and build a bond with them. This gets them to want to behave and obey you. It is based on the scientifically researched idea of the neuroplasticity of the human brain. It was developed by Adrian Faricelli, a certified dog trainer with over a decade of experience. Adrian follows a simple training philosophy that is kind, force-free, and science-based. Her training program shows you the power of positive reinforcement and reward-based training. So if you want to buy or know more about this online dog training course, click on the link in the description of this video. We hope these tips have been helpful in reducing your dog's barking. Remember, it's important to be patient and consistent in your training efforts, and to always use positive reinforcement techniques. With a little bit of time and effort, you and your dog can enjoy a happier and quieter home together.